A section of this mysterious tree trunk that looks like a little man draws in many birds at Jurong Lake Gardens, Singapore. From May 26 to June 23, a variety of birds such as the Kingfisher, Barbet, Myna, Starling, Parakeet, and many more are drawn to it. A couple of white-collared kingfishers are examining this cavity to potentially use it for nesting. A male and female parakeet are attracted to the same hollow and are inspecting it. The female parakeet performs a quick tidying up inside the hollow and takes a well-deserved break while the male stays alert outside. A lineated barbet and a myna are seen close to the hollow of this weird tree. Without any confrontation, both birds soar away to a distance. Safe at last. Male long-tailed parakeet is performing a courtship call. In response, the female parakeet engages, leading to mating. Let's observe the various behaviors of other birds and their activities atop this mysterious tree. The Asian glossy starlings gather on the branch to savor their breakfast. Mother and the three juveniles. The rainbow lorikeets put on a merry-go-round performance. On June 23, the long-tailed parakeets perched on the mysterious tree are forming a bond while sensing a looming threat from the oriental hornbill. They spring into action. the female long-tailed parakeet narrowly escapes the grasp of the oriental hornbill. Following the perilous danger posed by the oriental hornbill, let's take a closer look at the amusing behaviors of the male and female long-tailed parakeets. It's quite likely that this pair of long-tailed parakeets will choose this mysterious tree cavity for their nesting. Thank you for tuning in.